All right, boys and girls, on the other side of the Turbo GMC, we have some different wheels and tires. The fuels I had for it, if you've taken note, have been MIA for a while. It's because I sold them. Couldn't ever find a replacement for that cracked, and fuel discontinued the 12 wides in the throttle. So we have another set to go on. Let's just throw them on there and see how they look. And there we go. Another set of fuels. These are, I believe they're Tritons. Again, used set. Just trying to see exactly what we want to put on here. These are 35 1250 20s on 20 by 10 fuel Tritons. And I don't know if I quite like them as much as the throttles. We're gonna pull the fuels off and run our 35s. We already have them in the back, getting ready to swap them over on the front. It is very windy today, so let me get this done. I'll pick back up. Any wheel and tire other than these really makes a huge difference on this truck. The bright green wrap really looks better, I think, with the black wheel. I still like kind of the ball milled accent, but I think it looks good. We're gonna test drive it, see how it does with these. These are, what are these? Achilles Desert Hawk XMT. They're pretty decent looking tire. They have some tread left on them, so we should be able to do a couple burnouts anyway. We'll see how loud they are, see if we like them at all, and we'll kind of go from there. I'm just, first impressions that I don't like them as much. I'm not so much the skinny multiple spoke wheel type. I'm not so much into that. Yeah, I don't know. We'll run them a little bit, get a couple pictures, see what you guys think, see what I think, and kind of go from there. If not, there's always a market for used wheels. So you guys are along for the ride on the first drive on these wheels anyway. So they're definitely a little louder, and a slight bit of uneven wear, so I feel a tiny bit of vibration, but they seem to do good. I don't see, any major issues. Just, they are used tires, so, and they're mud tired, so they're going to be a little louder than normal. We're going to ride them a bit. I think we got a decent deal on them, so like I said, if we don't like them, we'll turn them and get something else. Eventually we'll probably end up just buying a new set and keep it on here, so we'll see. Do have a little bit more aggressive offset, so they stick out a little bit more, and you can tell that driving, but to be expected. Alright, made it back home. Like I said, no major issues with them. We did do a small burnout. Should probably filmed it, but we got a little rubber on here we'll have to clean up, but they seem to do pretty good. Again, not 100% sure I like this look over the other wheels, but big, huge difference over the H2 chrome wheels, especially with this wrap. I don't have the centers on this side because I need a couple bolts to put them on. Definitely looks better with the centers, but see the offset there. Not crazy, but they stick out just enough, I think. I think they do look better with the 12 wides. I think this truck looks better with the 12 wides, but definitely doesn't drive as good. It's not quite as practical. I just maneuvered around here in the driveway and locked the lock with no rub at all. So a 35 1250 20 with a 10 wide. I'm not sure the offset, but on a 6-inch lift it works perfectly fine. All right, we just got something in the mail also. I'm not 100% sure what this is. I think it's something Jessica ordered. Let's go ahead and cut this open. All right, something green. I think I know what this is. Yep. So this is a cooler. Let me get out of the box here and we'll kind of let you guys know what we think as we go. Obviously bright green. I don't know why she got that color, but she did. Let me pull this out and we'll check it out. So here we have, it's a Kine. It's a Grizzly model. Again, bright green to match the bright green truck. You know, everyone's making their version of the Yeti coolers now, and some are much more affordable. This one's nice and thick. It's supposed to have a lifetime warranty. It's got nice handles on the side. It's got a nice seal. I kind of like the latches. I didn't think I'd like them at first. They snap on extremely easy, and they're super strong. They hold that lid down really good, and they're super easy to take off. So kind of do like that. They have nice rubber feet on the bottom, keep it from moving around. Other than that, it's your basic cooler, nice and sturdy. You could definitely stand on that, walk on it, sit on it. So we're going to try this out. We got a trip coming up and we need a good cooler, so hopefully this is a good cooler. That had to be the worst ad ever for a cooler, but we definitely are not sponsored, and it just so happens that it matches the truck so perfectly. Decided to throw it in this episode, and I mean, it looks well built. Like I said, Jessica ordered this, so I don't even know what it cost, but it looks to be a good solid cooler, and we're going to test it out here. We're going to throw something frozen in there. It's pretty warm out today, and just see, maybe even leave it outside overnight or in the garage or something where it's warm, and just, we're going to test this thing out. We're going to use it. I mean, it's, like I said, it's solid enough. I kind of like it. I mean, we've been around Yetis for years. They're just, you know, they're pricey, and everyone's got their own version, so why not try out another version? And this one's lime green, matches the truck. Why not? We have a completely empty cooler. We have a frozen block of stuff. We're gonna drop a few things in there and just close this up and let it sit. And if it's anything like a Yeti, that will be perfectly still frozen tomorrow morning, and probably tomorrow evening, and probably the morning after that. So I should show you what we put in there. Again, it pops open super easy. I really like that. I mean, it's not gonna pop open by itself, but I really like these latches. We have some French fries and a couple other frozen solid block bags. Gonna shut it up again. Check back later. And of course, we can't resist to put our sticker on there. It is the Finding Fast Motorsports cooler now. And Scout is making noise again.